Number 1. A. Beverages are about to be served. B. The dinner service is being cleared. C. The family is looking restless and nervous. D. Chopsticks are being used.
Question 2. A. The warehouse is crowded with staff. B. Some employees are packing the shelves. C. A large container is out in the open. D. 2 workers are wearing safety hats.
Question 3. A. A group of people are reading their emails. B. There are a range of electronics on the table. C. A woman in a white shirt is glancing at a refrigerator. D. Laptops and other tablets are undergoing repairs.
Question 4. A. A ship carrying cargo is trailing a boat. B. A Chinese freighter is struggling to dock. C. A tsunami in the distance is threatening to cause destruction. D. Large boxes are being airlifted to the shore.
Question 5. A. A village is surrounded by mountains. B. All of the houses have chimneys. C. A cliff face can be seen to the right of the picture. D. A path leads through the village and finishes in front of a statue.
Question 6. A. A woman is giving a cooking lesson in front of a small audience. B. A woman is chopping a vegetable into small segments. C. A woman is cutting a carrot with a fork. D. A woman is preparing to feed her rabbit.
Question 7. A. A hurricane is up ahead. B. Some travelers are approaching an enormous lake. C. One of the travelers is visibly distressed. D. The mountains are snow-capped.
Question 8. A. The meeting has been catered for. B. Nobody is speaking with the microphone. C. Everyone is seated. D. The speaker is sitting on a toilet.
Question 9. A. A man is rolling a wheel into the trunk. B. An orange car is full of passengers. C. A vehicle is in an automobile repair shop. D. A mechanic in blue overalls is lifting a car into the workshop.
Question 10. A. A cashier is browsing the shelves. B. A woman in a grey sweater has a trolley full of groceries. C. The aisle is littered with candy and other snacks. D. A rubber duck is on promotion.